Hey, let's slow things down for a second. Have you ever told yourself you'll cut back, but somehow end up repeating the same pattern? That's more common than you think, and it's exactly what Break Free from Alcohol Reliance, Small Changes and Support Structures for a Sober Life is designed to help you change. This ebook takes a realistic and supportive approach. It doesn't rely on extreme rules or pressure, but focuses on small, consistent steps that lead to long-term progress. One of the most powerful ideas is understanding your personal relationship with alcohol. Instead of judging yourself, you learn how to identify triggers, habits, and emotional patterns that keep the cycle going. It also explains why cravings appear and how they influence your behavior. Once you understand this, it becomes easier to pause and make better decisions instead of reacting automatically. Another important aspect is building structure. The guide shows how routines, boundaries, and healthier habits can make the process feel more stable and achievable. You'll also discover simple ways to handle difficult moments and stay consistent, even when motivation is low. This makes it a valuable resource for anyone who wants to regain control, feel more balanced, and move forward with clarity. If you're ready to take that first step and create real change, this ebook is a powerful place to begin. You'll find the link in the description. Tap it now and discover how Break Free from Alcohol Reliance, Small Changes and Support Structures for a Sober Life can help you reset your habits, regain control, and build a healthier lifestyle.